So you can see here, I am logged in here. It's Jeff Test. I created this user in the ATS so that I could automatically map the user over to the Broadbean side because I have had issues going to the client mapper. Just a side note here for Family First. We always map the essay first so I can test posting process is working. So I created the essay user in Broadbean, but when I go to access the mapper, I can't do it. So my workaround was to create a user, which I have here as Jeff Test. So you can see I'm listed in the Broadbean standalone, and the reason that user is listed there is because I created the user in the ATS and automatically associated them as an external Broadbean job posting user. So here is a post or a requisition. If I go to post it and choose the external board, well, first thing that's kind of funky is that, okay, here we go. So I've got job publishing API unsuccessful request, unable to publish job, failed request to Luceo API. So that's telling me that it's not mapped, but you can see here the client has been mapped in the client mapper. So this should be connected. This is the correct API information, which is listed in the actual Luceo delivery. So that is the first issue. I'm not able to actually post the job as my test user, which is mapped. So the error is showing web service issue, right? So it's not really the user per se. And if I log out and sign in as the essay and try to set the posting, I will get the error that the user does not have the permissions, which makes sense because I can't map the client, or I haven't been able to map the essay yet. But I'm not sure why I'm getting this API error, considering that the client has been mapped. So let me know if you have any questions or if you have any, if you need more information. Thanks.